Today I will explain how my salary sheet software works. First I will enter name, then we will enter post name. The system check that if the post exists in the database or not. If post is correct, it will show its detail. We have four posts here: manager, accountant, clerk, and peon. If I enter manager, as you can see, it has shown its detail: basic salary, medical allowance, travel allowance, other allowance, and it automatically calculated the net salary and the gross salary. If loan is empty, the system will keep it as 0. When I will click insert, the salary data will be added to the database. As you can see, ID 14 data has been inserted. Raja manager. Thank you.